I just want to thank all the parents for coming today. My class has worked really hard on the Rainforest unit, and they've incorporated a lot of their knowledge and information that they have read to write poetry and do all different types of writing. So I hope you enjoy. I know it's hot in here, but it is a rainforest, and we're going to have some fun.
Hi, my name is Jamie. I'll be sharing my acrostic poem on a toucan. T is for toucan, O is for on branch, U is for under emergent layer, C is for colorful feathers, A is for animal, N is for not slow animal. Toucan.
Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem on a sloth. S is for slow moving, L is for lazy animal, O is for odd animal, T is for 2 or 3 toes, H is for hairy animal, sloth.
Hi, my name is Aaliyah, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem. B is for blue, more for butterfly. B is for blue. L is for legs to fly. U is for wings to fly. E is for eats nectar. M is for moment in a tree. O is for outside in the canopy layer. R is for really colorful. P is for people like to watch them. H is for has legs. O is for onto a leaf. Blue, more for butterfly.
Hi, my name is Jackson, and I'm going to share my acrostic poem on a sloth. S is for slow climbers, L is for lazy, O is for often seen in trees, T is for 3 toes, H is for hairy animals, sloth.
Hi, my name is Savannah. I'm going to read my acrostic poem from the Anaconda. A, able to swim, and never in measure later. A, always eats animals. C, can jump, climb. Owing sliver, and never trust a snake. D, doesn't jump. A, around the tree. Anaconda. My name is Lucas, and I share my classic poem on a jaguar. J, jumps high. A, accurate. 1 G, good at running. U, understory is real. It hunts. A scary animal. All wrong is something they do not do. They don't do. Jaguar.
Hello, my name is David Dusso, and I gotta read my class's poem. Tamandua, T is teeth. A, able to walk. M, makes noises. A, ants. D, and needs food. D, doesn't eat animals. Uses his tongue. A, able to stand. Tamandua.
Hi, my name is Kayla. I'm going to share my plastic poem on jaguar. J is for jaguars jump. A is for attacks animals. G is for God's babies. U is for uses its claws. A is for able to climb. R is for rare. Jaguar. name is Evan, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem on an anteater. A is for Africa is where it lives. N is for near water. T is for tongue is sticky. E is for eats ants. A is for attacks insects. T is for termites it eats. E is for enemies are large cats. R is for run slow. Anteater.
Hi, my name is Megan, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem on jaguar. J is for jumps high, A is for attacks predators, G is for growls, U is for understory, A is for against predators, R is for runs fast. Jaguar. For swallow. S is for South America, Q is for quiet, U is for under lots of leaves, I is for it is very quick, R is for river, R is for rainforest, E is for eats verdicts, L is for lots of leaves. M is for mother, O is outside canopy layer, N is never goes in immersion layer, K is for known for traveling in groups, E is for energetic, Y is young like top play, squirrel monkey.
Hi, my name is Vivian, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem on it. S is for slow moving. L is for leaves they eat. O is for outside and canopy layer. T is for trees they climb. A is for animal, sloth. Hello, my name is Tommy, and I would like to share my acrostic poem on the red-eyed tree frog. R is for ribbit, E is for eyes are big, D is for drinks water, E is for eats bugs, Y is for yellow belly, E is for ears are small, T is for tree climber, R is for rests in water, E is for eggs wet, E is for energy, to swim, F is for food, R is for red eye, O is for ocean is not where they live, G is for girl, frogs lay eggs, red-eyed tree frog.
Hi, my name is Lily, and I'm going to share my acrostic poem on a jaguar. J is for jumps good, A is for a good mother, G is for growls, U is for up in a tree, A is for a good eater, R is for runs fast. Jaguar. Alright, hello everybody, my name's Quinn Morrison, and I want to share my acrostic poem on Blue Morpho. So B is for butterflies are beautiful, L is for little butterflies, U is for up in the sky, E is for enemies are people and fishies, M is for moves by fly, O is for flowers, R is for rest on rocks, P is for pretty butterflies, H is for hatches from a pupa, and O is for outside and the emerging layer. Thank you. Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm going to share an acrostic poem on a harpy. H is for hunt its food, A is for animal, R is for raise their babies, P is for popular animal, Y is for young eagle, E is for eat sloths, A is for awesome at catching their prey, G is for gray, L is for lay eggs, E is for eagle, harpy eagle.
Hi, my name is Gail, and I'm going to show my acrostic poem on a toucan. T is for they eat fruit, O is for orange on its body, U is for up the toucan goes, C is for catches food, A is for able to fly, N is for nestlings need to be cared. Toucan.
Hi. Hi, my name is Trace, and I'm going to share my acrostic poem on a boa constrictor. B boa constrictor prey. O, outside in the canopy layer. A, animal. C, chases its prey. O, old skin gets shed. N, not nice. S, sloths get eaten by boa constrictors. T, tree frogs are tasty. R, rainforest. I, it slithers on the ground. C, canopy layer. T, they're dangerous. O, on a log. R, buoy on the boa constrictor.
Hi, my name is Jason, and I would like to share my acrostic poem on food bat. F is for eat is what they eat. R, wind doesn't get its wings wet. U, under the trees. I, in caves when it's daytime. D, they have many teeth. E, builds tents out of leaves. A, able to fly. D, their wings are made out of thin skin. Fruit bat. Hi, my name is Vin, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem on a red-eyed tree frog. R is for red eyes. E is for eats flies. D is for drinks water. E is for ears that smell. Y is for yellow. T is for easy to climb. T is for thin body. R is for ribbit. E is for ribbit. E is for eats clothes. F is for forest wood. R is for red frogs. O is for orange. And G is for good jumpers. Red tree frog.
Hi, my name is Eliza, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem on the jaguar. J is for jumps on trees. A is for able to climb. G is for good runner. A is for animal. U is for understory layer. R is for rest in trees. Jaguars. Hi, my name is Dot, and I'm going to be sharing a acrostic poem on parrots. P, pets. A, able to fly. R, rest under trees. R, researchers study them. O, often live in canopy layer. T, travels in flocks. Parrot. I know listen, it's not near. Animals, insects, and plants live here. Rainforests are so far away. They're getting smaller every day. Trees cut down every day. Cry for money, that's what's for. We have to stop this right away. Think of tomorrow, not today.